Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. So don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Hey there, I cannot wait to tell you about this great property we have on the east end of Panama City Beach, super close to the Navy base, and we timed it only 4 minutes to the sandy white beaches overlooking this paradise, super close to one of our favorite local hotspots, Schooners.
Yes.
Where all the locals hang out. So this property, back to that, great starter home for someone, or you could keep it as a rental investment. It would work as a rental, super close to the Navy base. Very convenient location, just a few minutes to the beaches, or you could pop on over to Panama City. Lots of shopping and dining choices over on this end of the beach as well. And the neighborhood has no HOA. So let's get back to that house. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. It's got a single car garage. It's got a fenced-in yard. The appliances are mostly new. HVAC, water heater, all of them replaced in the last couple years. And a new roof was installed in 2019. Ready to go. Everything about this house. Carpet's only about a year old. Great value. It's priced under $230, which is unheard of on the beaches right now. We would love to show it to you. Come check it out.